Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Mantra. I have created this channel to teach Excel in an interesting way and to take care of Hindi and English speaking people. I have created a videos in both the language. So if you are interested in watching this video in Hindi, please see another playlist where you can find the same video in Hindi. So then let's start. So this particular video I created to make you understand how sum if and sum ifs function works in Excel sheet. First, let's understand how this function works and where it is being used. So we will try to understand this with a very simple example. So here you can see a table where I have put the name of store. That means a company X have a store in different cities. For example, they have a store in Gandhinagar and Jaipur, and the items they are selling is refrigerator, LED, and washing machine. And for different month, the total sale is also available. So, for example, in row number two, we have the total sale of Gandhinagar store and the total sale of refrigerator, and in the month of January 23. So, the Gandhinagar Jaipur store has sold 25,000 amount of refrigerator in the month of January. So that way we can understand this table. So similarly, in the Jaipur store in the month of January, the total sale of LED is 30,000. Right. So now if we want to know the total sale in the month of January 23, irrespective of the store and item, then we can simply get it using a sum if command. So sum if means we want to calculate the sum, but we have one criteria. So if, so here the if is, it should be the month as a Jan 23 and not any other month. So if we just filter out Jan 23 and calculate the total sale, so the total sale comes out to be 95,000. That means 25,000 plus 30,000 plus 40,000, so 95,000. This we can do it by filtering out, but suppose if we need to create a table where we want to calculate it month wise, then it would not be a good idea to filter out again and again and then putting it in the cell. So how we can simplify this problem is using a sum if command. So just click on fx, then type sum if and click on go. Here in select a function area, you can see the sum if commands highlighted. You just double click on it and you will see the function arguments tab here. Here we need to put the range, criteria, and sum range. So the range means, so here range is for the criteria. So for example, here our criteria is the month should be Jan. So this data is available, or we need to filter out from the column C. So here we will select the sale from C2 till C10. So that means all the row has been included. Now since we want to fix it, that means we want to use the absolute reference. So here we will press F4 so that we can put a dollar sign in front of both CN2 and also CN10. Why I am using the dollar sign here, that you can understand it from my another video where I have put it in details. That means this name of this video is the referencing in Excel sheet. So just go and watch that video to understand it fully. So in the next argument, I need to put the criteria. That means what I need to filter from the column C. So here we need to filter the January 23. So January 23 is available in the cell F2. So I can simply select January 23 here, F2 cell. The another way to do the same thing is we can directly type Gen 23 also in the criteria. Okay. So so the last argument is sum range. In this we need to select the range where we want to calculate the sum. So that means all the data is available here where we want to calculate the sum. So the data is available in column D. So here again we will select from D2 till D10, And again here also we will press F4 and make it absolute reference. Here one thing we need to take care is that for both, that means for range and also sum range, the row number should be same. That means for range we are starting the range from row 2 till row 10. So same way sum range also should start from row 2 till row 10. If we don't take care, then we may get a different result or altogether a wrong result. So that is the simple thing which we need to take care. Now we will press OK, and we can see that 95,000 has directly appeared here. Now if we need to calculate the same for the month of February 23, we'll simply autofill it and we'll drag the formula for the month of Feb 23 as well. And here we can see the total sale of the month of Feb 23. Okay. Here this was a bit easier considering that we have filtered only in a particular column. But suppose if we need to filter it in a multiple column. For example, here we have a query, that means we want to calculate the total sale from the Gandhinagar store of the refrigerator irrespective of the month. So here we need to filter in the two different column, that means store and item. So to do it, we need to use the function sum ifs. Earlier we have used the function sum if, but now since we need to filter out the multiple columns, so we will use the function sum ifs. So the difference is only of s, and which will provide us the functionality where we can filter in the multiple columns. So I will type sum ifs, will press go. You can see sum ifs listed here. We will just double click and open it. Here the difference is in the sumifs command, first argument is sum range. That means the column or the cells where we want to calculate the sums or where the data is available. So I will simply select from D2 to D10. Again I will press F4 and make it absolute reference. Then in criteria range, first I will select the store, that means A2 till A10. And in, okay, sorry, I will again make it absolute reference. Then in the criteria 1, I will select the cell F6 where Gandhinagar is written. So it means now it will filter out the Gandhinagar from the first range. Now in criteria range 2, I will select the complete list of items. Again I will press F4 and make it absolute reference. Then in criteria 2, I will select refrigerator. So that way I have completed the function arguments table. Now I will simply press on OK button, and so here we can see that for the store located Gandhinagar and the sale of refrigerator is total 55,000. And if I need to calculate for the store Jaipur and the same item refrigerator, I will simply autofill this for Jaipur and refrigerator. So here I can see 38,000 is the total sale from the store Jaipur at and for the item refrigerator. So that way by using the sumifs command with multiple criteria, we can define the sum. So I think this is the really useful formula which can if we don't use this formula, the effort required to calculate such a table or create such a table will be quite high. But using this simple function, this can be done in seconds, right? So if you like this video, and if please like it and YouTube channel, also share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you do not want to miss any new videos. Nowadays I am publishing the videos in every 1 or 2 days, so please join us and connected with us. I'm definitely going to support you in learning the Excel sheet in the best possible way. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.